Okay, we got the blueberries ready. Now, be careful. They're very hot. Ow. You said have an adult. Oh, I don't have an. Ow! I don't have an adult, but still. Oh crap. Okay, we got it. Hot. Okay. Okay, now. You make them like spin around a little. Get like a small spoon and get them all around. Okay. Now, the whipped cream. Remember, don't try this at home. Will do. Okay. Okay. I think I'll need more cream, but now let's get some cinnamon. See? Ground cinnamon. This is from the ground. It tastes like those wood cinnamon sticks. Get like a lot of it. Sorry. It's okay. Camera. Get a lot of it. Now put some more. Now put some on. Okay, that'll work. And then gently put a potato chip on the top. Or don't. Put some more on. And the last thing is Italian style vanilla cookies. Put it on, and there you have it. A tasty snack.